Welcome to the North Phoenix Suburbanstead channel. This video is special because it speaks to the core of what the channel is all about. It's about the satisfaction of doing it yourself. It's about testing skills and learning new things. It's about contributing to those who find great value in YouTube. It's about giving back. In this video, we repair an old and lonely lawnmower. It hasn't started in over 10 years, and it's our very first time working on a small engine. And here's the best part. There is no grass at the Suburbanstead. We removed what little grass we had years ago. In fact, we eliminated all small gas-powered engine tools from the shed except for this lawnmower. To put a finer point on the inspiration for the channel, take a look at this. We have 3 gas cans, but no more small engine tools, only a lawnmower, but it hasn't been used in over 10 years. The reason we have 3 gas cans is because whenever one of our gas-powered tools wasn't working right, we just simply went out and bought a new one. And of course, we had to get a gas can because we needed gas to run it. We did our research. We watched many lawnmower repair videos, and some patterns emerged. For example, in the title they ask, "Will it run?" Seriously? Like it's so suspenseful, I need to watch to see if it will really run. Come on. I don't believe you should post a video about repairing an engine if it doesn't end well. Another amusing pattern is just how many times people simply don't clean the lawnmower, and I really don't understand why. Perhaps people like viewers, they like the dirt, they like the grime, they like the schmegma. From a repair perspective, a clear pattern is that the vast majority of the problems are with the carburetor. In fact, I read one stat that suggested over 90% of the time the carburetor is the culprit on a problematic lawnmower. So we decided to not even try to start it. We just wanted to learn. We wanted to do it ourselves. We'll start the project with maintenance on the blade. We'll remove it, we'll clean it, sharpen it, and then we'll measure it for balance. Nice. So here we'll set up one of the mobile workbenches and begin an inspection of multiple parts with special attention to the carburetor. friendly reminder that this is our first time. That's not an excuse or a disclaimer. Rather, it's a do-it-yourself reminder we have not been professionally trained. We did, however, watch lots of YouTube videos. So we're not exactly sure what we're looking at here, but it's really dirty, and that can't be good. We believe this carburetor and gas tank configuration is about as simple as it gets. This is a push mower. There's no operator throttle control at the handles. It's actually at the carburetor, and there's no choke. From what we could tell, everything appeared in good working condition. Nonetheless, we carried on with a thorough cleaning. Also, we decided to replace a few parts even though we don't really think we needed to replace them at all. The original stickers on top of the engine case were missing. We knew it was a Briggs & Stratton engine, but we didn't know the model. We found that information on the front of the engine casing. Nice. We downloaded the free operator's manual and parts list. We ordered 4 parts. For the carburetor, we ordered replacement gaskets and springs. We also ordered a new gasket for the exhaust muffler as it was missing. Here we're using a high grit sandpaper to clean the perimeter of the flywheel to ensure good conduction with the stator. Okay, things are looking better now. So we'll start some reassembly and we'll replace a couple of parts on the carburetor. We replaced the carburetor diaphragm, although it probably really didn't need to be replaced. However, the primer bulb, that was pretty brittle. Eventually we knew it would fail. The O-ring securing the connection of the carburetor to the engine was still in really good shape, so no replacement there. So now we're ready to reattach the carburetor/gas tank and replace the throttle control springs. Here we're replacing the air intake gasket. Then we'll reattach the air filter box. Okay, moving on to the exhaust. We'll remove the muffler, clean off all the schmeg, and then we'll reattach it. Time to drain all the old oil. We set the mower up between two of the mobile workbenches for easy access to the drain plug at the bottom of the engine. Almost there. One last thing before we fire this bad boy up and test it out. We're going to clean and grease all 4 axles. All right, here we go. We're going to fill the oil, add some gas, prime the carb, open throttle, and pull the cord. Moment of truth. Drum roll, please. That's right, first pull, because that's the way we roll on the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. And we'll finish the project with a field test at the neighbors. Throttle on high.
Which way is that? This way?
That's right, that way. And that's
Right.
it.
Pull this bad boy back, right?
Yep. This has been another production from the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. I hope you found the video informative and entertaining. If you haven't done so already, hit subscribe and click on the bell to receive notifications when the next video is posted. Thanks for watching.